Welcome back to Forestry Pulse. Today, we're diving deep into the world of powerful forest machines in action. The first clip introduces us to a brand new harvester equipped with an inbuilt crane and harvester head. This machine is designed for efficiency, combining cutting, gripping, and processing in a single step. The technology behind this setup allows the operator to handle trees with precision, minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Now let's turn to the legendary green John Deere wheeled harvester. Known worldwide for its reliability, this machine shows off why John Deere is a trusted name in forestry. Its large wheels and flexible suspension allow it to maneuver easily, even in tough terrain. In this clip, you'll see the harvester operating smoothly, cutting trees and processing them without missing a beat. Next, we move on to a Komatsu Harvester fitted with tank wheels. Unlike traditional tires, these wide tracks distribute weight evenly, making it possible for the machine to travel across soft or uneven ground without sinking. It's a game changer for working in challenging terrains. The Komatsu Harvester in action demonstrates raw power combined with smooth operation. Watch how easily the harvester processes each tree. The hydraulic system powers the head to cut, strip, and section logs with impressive speed. In this clip, the John Deere Harvester takes things to another level by cutting and collecting multiple trees at once. Instead of handling one tree at a time, this machine shows how efficiency can be multiplied through advanced design. You'll notice the harvester's strong grip as it secures a cluster of trees in one motion. With a powerful head and strong hydraulics, it slices through them cleanly, then stacks them neatly for processing. The next scene takes us to a log loading process with an old white truck. Despite its age, this truck is still doing the hard work of carrying timber from the forest to its next destination. Watch as the logs are lifted and carefully placed onto the truck bed. The operator ensures each log fits tightly, maximizing load capacity while keeping everything secure. Now, let's look at a giant green skidder designed to carry massive loads of logs at one time. This beast of a machine is built for strength, and it shows in every move it makes. As the grapple arm secures multiple logs, the skidder drags them effortlessly across the forest floor. The power of its engine allows it to handle enormous weights without slowing down. It's truly impressive to see such a machine in full action. The green skidder demonstrates why skidders are a vital part of forestry. They bridge the gap between harvesters and transport trucks, moving felled logs from where they were cut to where they can be loaded. In this clip, we watch a massive Tigercat skidder at work. With its wide tires and powerful engine, it is built to carry large numbers of trees in a single trip. Tigercat is well known for its robust forestry equipment, and this skidder proves why. The wide tires are not just for show. They provide better traction and reduce soil compaction, which helps protect the forest floor. This feature makes the machine both powerful and environmentally considerate. As the grapple arm pulls together a huge bundle of logs, the engine roars with authority. Despite the heavy load, the skidder maintains speed and balance, ensuring the logs reach their destination efficiently. Tigercat's engineering prioritizes durability. These machines are built to last in the toughest conditions, operating day after day without compromise. That reliability makes them a favorite among professional loggers. What's your opinion on Tigercat skidders? Do you think they're the best in the market, or do you prefer another brand? Share your thoughts below, and let's see which machine earns the most votes.
He's just gonna pick it up and get it off. And then we'll go out there and get it.
We have a slightly smaller Tigercat skidder in action. Don't let its size fool you. This machine still carries impressive loads of logs with strength and speed. The smaller design makes it more maneuverable in dense forests or tighter spaces where larger machines might struggle. It's a perfect balance between power and flexibility, which is why many operators prefer this model for specific jobs. this clip, you'll see the skidder grabbing a bundle of logs and transporting them quickly across the site. Its efficiency makes it an essential part of the logging workflow, especially when multiple machines are working together.
One thing about the 635, Zach and I were talking a little bit this morning there on Facebook. He was talking about,
even though it's smaller than its massive counterpart, this Tiger Cat skidder is built with the same quality and durability. It stands as proof that size isn't always the most important factor. Efficiency and adaptability matter just as much.
That thing on the back there, I mean, it's like a Cadillac. Just like he said in the comment, it's like a Cadillac compared to a normal four-wheel skidder. It rides so good. I mean, it don't bang you around in the cab.
Which type of skidder do you prefer? The massive heavy-duty one or the smaller, more flexible version? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's discuss which machine best fits modern logging operations. In this clip, we see the LKT81 skidder skillfully moving down a steep mountain slope with a heavy bunch of logs in tow. Operating on such terrain requires precision and control, as the machine must balance both its own weight and the load behind it. The operator demonstrates expertise by keeping the skidder stable, ensuring the logs don't swing dangerously on the descent. Each movement is calculated, proving how much training and skill are required for forestry work in mountainous areas. Next, we watch a forwarder facing one of the toughest challenges in forestry, getting stuck in the mud. Heavy machines often have to work in soft ground, and sometimes even the best equipment struggles to move forward. At first, the forwarder sinks deeper as it tries to gain traction. The wheels spin and the mud grips tight, showing just how difficult these situations can be for operators. It takes skill, patience, and sometimes a little luck to get unstuck. After many attempts, the operator finally finds the right rhythm and manages to free the forwarder from the mud. The relief is clear as the machine powers out and continues its work. This persistence shows the resilience required in logging operations. Now let's watch a powerful skidder attempt to climb a mountain slope. This machine is built for strength, but climbing with a heavy load is never easy. Every second of this clip shows the determination of both the skidder and its operator. The wheels grip the ground tightly as the skidder pushes upward, carrying logs behind it. The slope adds resistance, and you can see the strain on the machine as it slowly makes progress. It's a true test of both engineering and endurance. Climbing steep slopes requires perfect coordination of power and balance. If the machine loses traction, it risks sliding back, which could be dangerous. That's why skilled operators are so crucial in forestry. Despite the difficulty, the skidder eventually conquers the slope, proving that these machines are made to handle the toughest jobs. Watching it succeed shows just how much power and durability are packed into its design. Here we see a skidder pulling logs through a snow-covered forest. The cold and icy ground makes the job much harder, but the machine powers through with determination. Snow adds extra weight and reduces traction, making every pull more challenging. As the skidder drags the heavy logs, the front tires lift slightly off the ground. This happens because of the extreme load behind the machine, showing just how much strength is required to keep moving. It's a dramatic moment that demonstrates the machine's raw power. In this clip, we watch a red old skidder at work, driving up a forest slope with a load of logs. Even though it's not a modern machine, it still proves its toughness and reliability. The skidder's engine growls as it makes its way uphill, pulling heavy timber behind it. Its age shows in the design, but its performance demonstrates that older machines can still compete with newer models. Working on slopes is difficult for any machine, and this old skidder handles the challenge with surprising stability. Its operator clearly knows how to manage the load, preventing it from dragging unevenly. Finally, we see a yellow bulldozer in action, clearing the forest floor. Bulldozers are essential for preparing land, removing debris, and creating access paths for other forestry equipment. The wide blade pushes through branches, stumps, and leftover timber with ease. It's incredible to watch how much material can be moved in just a single pass. This is heavy-duty work, and the bulldozer is built perfectly for it. The bulldozer's strength and stability stand out in this clip. Its slow but steady progress is a perfect example of how forestry machines each play a role in the bigger process. Thanks for watching another episode here on Forestry Pulse. If you enjoyed these incredible machines in action, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos about the logging industry. Which clip was your favorite? The powerful LKT-81 skidder, the forwarder escaping the mud, or the bulldozer clearing the forest? Drop your answer in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned for more forest machine power in action.